This is a production of Johns Hopkins Medicine.
Robots are being used for more and more applications in medicine, and so is magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI. But because MRI depends on the presence of big magnets, robots and MRI have what might be called a fatal attraction. But Dan Stoianovici and colleagues at Johns Hopkins have developed a robot that is MRI compatible.
Yes, indeed. We just made this robot, which is entirely made of plastics. It doesn't use any electricity. It uses air to move and light for the sensors. Making an MRI-compatible robot is a very challenging engineering task because robots normally are made with metals and electricity. And this kind of motors right here, which are electromagnetic motors, and as you can see with this magnet, these are totally incompatible with the MRI based on the principle on which these work. To do a plastic robot, we had to make a new kind of motors. And these are air-driven motors, which are also precise. Air motors exist, but this one can do precise motion, which was not possible before this achievement.
So this motor allows you then to place the biopsy needle very precisely.
Exactly. The robot goes together with the patient inside the MRI scanner. You acquire the images, and then you can control the robot based on the images, not under direct vision, but based on those on that 3D reconstructed space of the patient. In doing so, you can place a needle very precisely at the point that you select in the MRI image. So you can take precise needle biopsies, or you can deliver therapy at that location, needle therapies.
So Dan, this is fabulous. But does that mean that all those robots out there right now are out of a job?
No, not really. And where is that little robot? I have a job for him.